As the parent of a sensitive child, I'm sure you're aware of all the sensory challenges that your child has. In fact, many sensitive kids, they are diagnosed with sensory processing disorder. Now, what you might not know is that all those sensory challenges that your child has are directly linked to their gut and brain health. So what does that mean? So let's name some of the sensory challenges your child might have. Your child cannot tolerate loud noises. Your child cannot tolerate light. Your child cannot tolerate the touch of someone else coming close to them. Or it might be that the tag on your child's shirt really bothers them, or even clothes. They can't be clothes, like your child might strip and be completely naked most of the time if you let them. So how does this relate to what's happening in our children's gut? So basically, when our children are not getting the proper nutrition, not because you're not feeding them the food, but because their digestive system is either not able to break that down, or there's an imbalance where the nutrition is actually not going to your child's body. When our children have high loads of toxicity, that affects their gut, but also affects their brain, because all that toxicity is circulating and is entering their brain. So basically, when the brain doesn't have the proper nutrition and is dealing with toxins and inflammation and other things, that brain actually has a distorted perception of sensory input. And they're not able to process and understand the sensory input that they're receiving. So basically, sensory challenges are directly linked to a toxic brain. And so if we want to help our children with sensory challenges, we want to start first addressing the nutrient deficiency and that high levels of toxicity that is actually circulating in our children's body.